Hello everyone, this video is about diabetes mellitus, a most common disease among people of all age groups. The food you consume like bread, rice, potato are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates get digested into simple sugar like glucose and this glucose is absorbed by the blood. ब्लड में जाने के बाद ग्लूकोज को चाहिए इंसुलिन to reach the body cells and to provide energy. Insulin and glucose, when both are present in the bloodstream takes both to the cells in our body जहां इनकी ज़रूरत है. How is this insulin important? What it does? Insulin is actually a key. It helps in unlocking the door to the cells so that glucose could get in. See the working of insulin. Insulin cells में पहुंचकर लॉक में और you can say insulin receptor में fit हो जाता है and opens the door and allows glucose to get in, where it can be used for getting energy. Blood glucose level and insulin secretion in our body both are related to disease diabetes mellitus. What is this disease exactly? It is characterized by increased blood glucose level due to insufficient or due to inefficient insulin secretion. इंसुलिन या तो बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में सिक्रीट हो रहा हो या फिर ठीक से फंक्शन ना कर पा रहा हो, then in both the situation person may suffer from diabetes mellitus. इंसुलिन सिक्रीट कहाँ से होता है? It is secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans which are present in pancreas and plays crucial role in controlling blood glucose level. Types of diabetes, it is of two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 एक autoimmune disease है जहां immune system pancreas के cells पर अटैक करता है और उन्हें destroy कर देता है. See it in the picture. Picture 1 is showing insulin producing cells of pancreas and in picture 2 you can notice the destroyed pancreatic cells. Now, what happens in type 2 diabetes? It occurs when your body becomes resistant to insulin. यहाँ इंसुलिन फॉर्मेशन तो हो रहा है बट बॉडी सेल्स इंसुलिन को रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं और यू कैन से बॉडी सेल्स इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट हो चुके हैं. एज अ रिजल्ट ग्लूकोज इज अनेबल टू एंटर द सेल एंड शुगर बिल्ड्स अप इन योर बॉडी. Let us try to understand type 1 diabetes through this picture. See the points 1 to 6 very carefully. Come to the point 1 and 2. Carbohydrates digested to glucose and glucose enters the bloodstream. Now come to point number 3 and 4. Pancreas is not making insulin or making it in a very little amount. Thus, there is little or no insulin is present in the bloodstream. As a result, glucose builds up in the blood and its level increases. For these, see the point 5 and 6. What can happen due to this? How high blood glucose level affect the body? Glucose level ज़्यादा है तो body try करती है to lower this glucose level by getting rid through kidneys. Kidneys do excess of work to handle this situation. As a result, the person tends to go to the toilet very frequently. इसके साथ साथ the person also feels thirsty as lots of water is required by the kidney to filter the glucose. ग्लूकोज को फिल्टर करने के लिए किडनी ज़्यादा वाटर को कंज्यूम करती है. So the person feels thirsty. So diabetes led to excess of urination and thirst. ब्लड में ग्लूकोज लेवल हाई है, thus more bacteria than usual will tend to breed in wounds. वूंड में ज़्यादा बैक्टीरिया ग्रो होने से वूंड स्लोली हील करता है. सो हाई ब्लड ग्लूकोज माइट लेड टू स्लो वूंड हीलिंग. नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट इज ऑन आईज. व्हेन ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स आर हाई फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बॉडी वाटर इज पुल्ड इनटू द लेंस ऑफ द आई, causing it to swell and led to blurred vision. इंसुलिन अवेलेबल न होने के कारण ग्लूकोज सेल तक नहीं पहुंच रहा and person is unable to get the energy to do various activities. Thus, the person feels very tired and lethargic. This is another symptom of diabetic patient. लेकिन बॉडी को तो एनर्जी चाहिए टू डू द वर्क. फॉर दिस इट स्टार्ट्स ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ स्टोर्ड फैट. स्टोर्ड फैट यूज होने लगता है एंड दैट लेड टू वेट लॉस. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द सिम्टम्स दैट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इन डायबिटिक पर्सन. टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ को समझने के लिए पिक्चर देखिए एंड सी द पॉइंट 1 to 5 वेरी केयरफुली. पॉइंट 1 and 2, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट होकर ग्लूकोज ब्लड स्ट्रीम में एंटर कर जाता है. नाउ कम टू पॉइंट नंबर 3, 4 and 5. Pancreas is producing insulin, but body is resistant to it. Body cells are not responding to insulin. Thus, glucose enables to enter the body effectively and its level increases in the blood. यहाँ important है, insulin is there but unable to unlock the door. As a result, blood glucose level continuously rise करना start कर देता है. इस प्रॉब्लम को डील करने के लिए पैंक्रियास प्रोड्यूस मोर एंड मोर इंसुलिन until it can't cope up anymore and eventually it can wear out. लंबे समय तक ज़्यादा इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस करने के कारण पैंक्रियास की फंक्शनिंग कम होने लगती है एंड पर्सन बिकम्स डायबिटिक. What are the causes of these two types of diabetes? Type 1 diabetes का cause unknown है, but we can say by mistake immune system pancreatic cells को destroy करना start कर देता है. But causes of type 2 diabetes are sedentary lifestyle, eating excess of food, obesity due to stress, due to family history, and also with increasing age one can have diabetes. डायबिटीज़ को डायग्नोस करने के लिए ब्लड शुगर लेवल चेक किया जाता है. नॉर्मल ब्लड शुगर की वैल्यूज़ हैं फास्टिंग मिनिमम 70 एंड फास्टिंग मैक्सिमम 100 एंड आफ्टर 2 hours of eating it is less than 140. In pre-diabetic case the values are fasting minimum is 100 and fasting maximum is 125, but after 2 hours of eating it is between 140 to 200. But in confirmed diabetic case, the values of blood sugar are fasting minimum and maximum is over 125 and after 2 hours of eating it is more than 200. Diagnosis के बाद come to the treatment. Common diabetic treatments are first to give insulin. All people with type 1 need to take insulin every day via injection, but only some with type 2 requires this. Use of home glucose meter is the next line of treatment. This treatment starts at home, where you will test your glucose every day and based on your glucose level, you will know how, what and when to eat. Next is to take oral medicines. Those with type 2 diabetes may take daily pills to keep blood sugar in a healthy stage. Diet and exercise is another way of treatment. Although type 1 diabetes cannot be managed with lifestyle changes, eating a healthy diet and regular exercise can provide big benefit for those with type 2 diabetes. We end up here by saying prevention is better than cure. WHO, World Health Organization says you require 30 minutes daily moderate exercise and healthy diet to prevent diabetes. I wish you all good health. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you all.